Hey friends, I want to read to you a book about a planet that's pretty far away from the sun, Uranus. Now, Uranus is one of the gas giants. The gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So that means that all these planets are made of gas. So think of them like they're a cloud. You could not land on them. You couldn't step on them. They're kind of fluffy almost. So let's read a little bit about Uranus. Uranus is very far away, way too far away to take a spaceship to. If scientists want to get pictures of Uranus, they need to send a spacecraft that doesn't have any people. All right, here we go. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. Uranus and the other planets move around the sun. So there's Uranus right there. There's the sun. So check it out. Uranus has a really long orbit around the sun. It takes Uranus a long time to make its way around the sun. Most planets spin like a top. So all the planets are actually moving. They're all spinning, but we're spinning so slowly that you really can't feel it. But Uranus spins on its side. So Uranus actually spins this way instead of this way. This is how Earth would spin, and this is how Uranus would spin. Weird. Uranus is the 3rd largest planet. Uranus is 4 times wider than Earth. So it's much bigger than Earth. At least 21 moons move around Uranus. Earth has only 1 moon. Oh my gosh, this is one of Uranus's moons right here. Looks kind of different from our moon. Uranus is a big ball of clouds, gases, and liquid. Uranus is called a gas giant. I love the cool blue color that Uranus is. Clouds cover Uranus. The clouds give Uranus a blue color. So that's why it's blue, because of its clouds. Uranus has 11 dark rings around it. The rings are made of rock and dust. So I don't know if you've read my Saturn book yet, but we talked about how Saturn has so many rings. Here's the Saturn book. So actually Uranus has rings too, but there's just not as many, so they're very hard to see. Also, Neptune has rings and Jupiter has rings, but no one has as many as Saturn. Uranus does not have a solid surface. A spacecraft could not land on Uranus. People could not walk on Uranus. People on Earth cannot easily see Uranus without a telescope. Uranus is too far away. So if you've read any of my other books about the other planets, they always show that sometimes you might see a star in the night sky that's not actually a star. It might be one of the planets. But you won't see that with Uranus. It's just too far away. You would need a telescope to be able to see Uranus from Earth. The end. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed the story about Uranus, one of the planets that's almost the furthest planet from the sun. So remember, the closer you are to the sun, the hotter your planet is. The further away from the sun you are, the colder the planet is. Earth is just the right distance from the sun. Not too hot, not too cold. Earth is awesome. I'm so glad we live there and not on Uranus. Yikes. All right, friends, see you soon. Bye.